morning everyone. So TV Ganke GS paper 1 ni section E. Abno start khalenge. Section E wotam tongkange environmental and conservation tongodo. So environmental and conservation ni part of subtopic tongochi ni biodiversity. So chamkini or biodiversity topic no serang lainai do. Tai nalene buji lainai o topic no nai. So okay, so biodiversity and its conservation tongdo. Obuni angolite saitan ka obo bozaga tongke GS paper 1 ni section 8 for mains ibagito abo arami 25 marks. Nkanala abong ka sini syllabus ni. Nga topic nga chini tongnai biodiversity and its conservation. So biodiversity and its conservation changtam bujina get first over biodiversity humani changomna buji wana do biodiversity. So biodiversity inge tamnam nangoro duita word moganana duita mogadno bio changna khana ha study of life umbrong chang biology logic study then bio means to life then diversity mane tam bujina diversity varieties. Yes, varieties. So varieties of living beings like living organisms changbon hana biodiversity do. Take action the tongo its conservation. Chung or je biodiversity different living organisms no chung bahagi conserve khaine bahagi save khai tone nai abo no do main topic. So main topic was it first. So biodiversity inke ango jagar jak tongo bio means living haike meaning of life do lifestyle langma gadam जेकोनो माने bonge bio then diversity ke variety of high differences of living beings do obun hunachum biodiversity bumji khasa jalate okay so next inkan id o je term biodiversity inkan ke sabrang kan ke apa sabre Walter G. Rosen do or year muitunarati that is in 1985 year muitunarati tai sabo or term rakha biodiversity ne sabo sakang term rakha do abo muitunarati then take a anke tongnai obonita mo is were Osborne Wilson do anke tamo father of biodiversity obo muitunarati who is known as the father of biodiversity after anke tamo Edward Osborne Wilson do bonke father of biodiversity Tia term na ingan ke alada do Walter G. Rosen born 1985 rogo tia father of biodiversity hamjang na inke tai khoroksa tam ne bag because o je biodiversity je term on mane no te bu research thainai boys thainai bini bishing tai se kobang boro biodiversity tam no hin baki chang conserve khainai abo boro rock sinani chengtha so hai ne bag tam ka bo or term of popularized Haman Ibagi, Bonochang, father of biodiversity. Okay. Next, Nadi. Biodiversity is a variety of species like plants, animals. For example, plants, different types of plants. Different flowers and even the plants and the animals of the same thing. So all the different species from one overall biodiversity. So nylene chantabun ke levels of biodiversity the bini levels tongo. First species diversity. Second genetic. Third ecosystem biodiversity. So different species hawa. After number and kinds of living organisms so species different types of species for example like dog rongni tabuk nogan ang es thaisung saga plants rongni kabang species tongma hai tabuk animal rongni over different tongla na animal kabang ma tongo so abrang nongi species do genetic basically chini genetic variation genetic to jotono simon genetic to simon like khoroksa jotono offspring produce ngona parent ni chang offspring ango both parents ni chang offspring ngai nai tama enani cheng yada so aba hai puru ta min thang chang parents ni character ke ri khai bela na tabo nini mukhang rok su da san nang mai khang ken mo ga na je nini baba hai ken ni mani bai tama eh to mo kisa sono no nai bo no no mai khang ken nini babu no kisa sono no aba hengla na so aba ta mo basically je genetic character tai ko ma ni pang do so और genetic character तो बुझ खना वाला हम हन्ने नि genetic का मस हाई तंग so और genetic variations रहो ना गचम genetic biodiversity दो then ecosystem में तो बुझ ने बिनी habitats biological communities like ecological process tai अब बजा गवां के biosphere नि अब चंग details first nang levels of biodiversity no simon gadi tam levels dong details of chang kasa ke yang nai thang na do answer जरूरत clear मंगला levels of biodiversity जरूरत है okay so na ide first ne tongo genetic hage diversity do or variation of ecology sata variation of genes within obo kaisa muduna de kaisa species ni bisingo no different nang mani do ha within a species ni shaw so tamo variation of genes within a species tabo chang borok thakang ke homo sapiens ni shaw na borok munchu jodno do sholai bilana yak kani ke tongo mokol kong li tongo bukung kaisa tongo joto no borok heda a borok ni bisingo no nang joto borok no solai na danu kha ha nang bai ang kisale different tong la na ni unique tong la na chang borok to joto no borok ya ni cox thati ni pa na tek sa different tai ni tong cha mongo fan different tek sa kisa different tong la na so aba ta mo basically ni gene ni je different aba no do so that is genetic diversity then or if examples talk tongo the unique trait kedi khaimani the special like dogs togo kebang no geda na different types of dogs breed dongo geda abor do then bone te kesa chang basic unit of hereditary information tam ni babe khanjak basic unit of hereditary information because chang tabuk style no basic unit of life here da so aba hake na genetic to chang kaisa parent nite kaisa ni je character bini offspring hai next generation or je thang diba ha so kai to tama o je information bo keri khai tlang la na te kaisa generation tlangi thangi tong so aba rong no hono ta bo tang basic unit of hereditary information bo hono do that is genetic diversity aba tong first level do genetic nisate kisa sako phagen ka nang no bini tama species diversity species ang tama obong kanke within a particular habitat or region obong mitna do o obong kanke tama variation in gene kia ba within a species obong tama je first species ane sapong kanke of the variety of species division kia ba particular habitat of region kaisa jaga no ida for okay example naidi rainforest with many different plants different plants tongnai animals tongnai insects tongnai no kanala kaisa jaga na kaisa rainforest area no nang different types of plants tongnai animals tongnai insects okobang no nuk bulana so aba kairang ta different types of species to so aba ka species diversity ingete ke sobo muituna de hotspot of diversity so je area belai no rich in diversity aba no changtam nai hotspots of diversity aba muituna de because chang saimana India ni naina thangke je western ghats so the western ghats saimana western ghats bo jagawa ha geography ni physiographic divisions for from muitu kore geda what is western ghats yang side to yada kabu just India nine yang ni je portion chang Sahyadri so ha tika apa tongo western ghats yang tongo tama eastern ghats kari diba So always tanggat no chang hotspots of diversity bo hanja go because as about ha rainfall of uh, enough rainfall kabang rainfall fai ango then diversity to kabang ango je jago satong wati available to ange diba diversity kabang varieties of species ango jago right so India open always tanggat no chang hotspots of diversity bo hanja go abo ke sam mudna rati then chang khojang micro species na min bishingo nai di or tinta khe nai di do species diversity ni bishingo no kaisa ka tongna chini species tama richness okay nai da jago species richness do arang katamo number of different species kisa term fairing no pia nang tabu no khel khai di do to jade confusion confusing is that so species richness ni chapron katamo number of different species ni chodo kubangma species ni pok to sai tong do number of different species porong katamo jang species richness thajin santa ni chaka je area rich in diversity abuna chung hotspots of diversity niada so from reached je word use khamani abata indicate khai tang it means as a different species tongo hida so je jaga different species kubang ma man thogo kasha jaga ba hai particular area so abuna ko changka ma hotspots of diversity jaga inka tabo species ni bisinga na species richness ani tongo abun ka tamo number of different species to mutumana mo so second idea species evenness do or khatamo kha individuals of different species do individuals of different species here or khatamo evenly distributed obo kisa muitunar dik je for evenness hanish hawa after tama evenly distributed do bro bujika ang picture by sapro bujiwa na then je for species abundance hanish hawa after khatamo high population ngo relative to tamo size of the area it inhabits mane do tamo obon kanke high population nang area no budi oi naina thang kanke high area wo tamo nang abuni high population no gota do abon nai di o jago picture na kanke clear ngan jangka na kya species first richness na kya na o picture na me jago different thing no geta okay obon sedang mark hendo obo hai kaisa tongo ang obo na red by khain ikha do obo kaisa tai tam different mo ikon komula na takes a light in color huh then next one koita different species ni trees no witang nangaro tabo pala picture nai ne koita eh it is a black bird 1 2 3 a so ikobo kaisa do obo sarta mo khanala different for tabo count khaina di or picture do different species richness ni sai tongo ajago different chum charta type ni nokha 4 types of different species tongo okay take khaksa bikha picture nai de jefro outcome richness then evenness bonai de evenness ani chaprong geta mok doro equally hunche da equally abo nai de kaisa type ni first ni type no jana obo tongo okay 1 2 obo tongo 3 obo tongo tamo 4 4 khabla na next night then obo nai 1 2 3 4 khana lombo chata 4 then next number 1 2 3 4 look after barbaki ko je rikza gya light in color je 3 abo chata tong so tonno kha o je kaise particular area wo different species tongo चार्टा ऑफ एग्जांपल तो फोर डिफरेंट स्पीसीज ऑफ तब फिश तो चंगनो खा ये बोलो इवनली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड यदा जतनी न चार्टा चार्टा के बुखांग तो यदा जगह सब उनके तम हने स्पीसीज इवेंटनेस दो ओके बना इवेंटली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड हैजाक देन यांगन आईडी जों तब बिनि कंपैरिजन जेफोर खाने थांका नाइडिया जागो species abundance ani chaparong ke tam no ko jaga ni bayo jaga ni difference species richness by species abundance nang tam no in picture if you see an idea jaga or six species tong do or ke sana ke 17 individuals but o kaisa particular area o kaisa type nang ko ba man mo geda kuno ka okay o jaga species richness hanjang mane jaga ke e konai di kobang ma tong do even animals frog bebang na included ang jak mura buja ka confusion ang ko like bini richness bufro hon richness ange jefro hona different types of tama species term no go then evenness ange evenly distributed then species abundance ange kaisa particular jaga wo no tama bini kabang na ke comparison to size tama bini population kabang high density tama kan then third term ke changnan thang ke ecosystem diversity do अपन kita mo variety of ecosystems apa mo na ecosystem ta na hin chama na la what is ecosystem anyone